what we started here today will develop into better, prosperous agriculture and agriculture byproducts, processing, value adding, like what you have done in your country. That's what my people need. You know, my time is very limited. I am now on my last and final term. I count my term in days. Today, I only have 490 days left as governor of Misamis Oriental. 490 days. I hope that in the next 490 days, we will be able to deliver together an impact for Misamis Oriental agriculture. Thank you very much for listening.
Before I came here, I just ran through the road. Both sides of the road, there are vast land of the very fertile land. Before I arrived here, I was very impressed how rich region this is. And when I came here, the briefing was very interesting because you have an excellent strategy to develop new products and enhance the agriculture in this region. So I think for me, it is very important to find a good partner from Japanese companies or Japanese municipalities. I hope our cooperation will really push through and give some kind of result.